Good morning from Amed. Just wanted to show how beautiful is it today. No clouds, a lot of sun, and it's about 7 o'clock at the moment. Whew, it's giving a really good boost for the all the day. Have to plan something. I had the plan to do the skill circuit for the Dive Master course, Ivan's Dive Master course, but he got Bali belly yesterday. If you don't know what is a Bali belly, it means it's diarrhea. So he ate something wrong yesterday and now he's in the bed for the rest of the day. He has some medicine, no problem at all. So all he has to do is just to sleep and hydrate himself. That's it. So that's the plan for him today. What is my plan? Because accidentally I got this like free of teaching day. So then I have to plan something. I definitely will find something because there are so many things to do around here. See you later. Rain just a little bit stopped and it's already afternoon here in Amed, and this is my normal rain season outfit. So we have these raincoats. That's what you definitely need, especially if you're going on a motorbike somewhere, for example from Amed to south, Sanur, Kuta, Denpasar. So then you need this one. Usually I also have like a pants, the same material, and that's the only way how to survive here during the rain season. Right now I'm in a Gemeluk beach, and this is another place where some these small rivers going into the ocean. So that's why the water looks like a coffee with a milk. But this coffee and milk goes in it makes a big spill, but then actually it's also setting down really fast. Let's say after a couple of hours it will be good visibility back again. In Bali you can dive all year round. Something you should consider is if you're coming to Bali in January and February, then this can happen. So all the diving is usually organized only or done only in the mornings before the rain starts. In the afternoon the rain will be for a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours, that's it. But then there is no visibility. Liberty Rack, there's nothing to do at the moment, because even during the night dive you will see nothing. So the guys tomorrow morning going for the mackerel, and they're going to catch it with nets. So if there is a current, do you use nets or not?
Oh, current, no problem.
No problem.
If current like
Rip current,
yeah, that
like
no.
a washing machine.
Only normal current.
Yeah. No problem.
No problem.
Okay, so and because sometimes you're fishing with the nets and sometimes with the lines. When with the net and when with the line?
Tomorrow we do together. Both.
Both.
Yeah.
So you like a trolling?
First we do net,
Yeah.
and then we trolling with a line. We do like close like
Ah,
this.
around the net.
Yeah, around the net.
So how long it's, so what time you leaving?
Like tomorrow, like 4:30 something.
4:30
Be late
and,
4:30.
and what time you gonna be back?
Maybe 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. And then you selling it here. And now,
Yeah, we sell.
yeah, and mackerel is how much for the kilo?
3,000 per one.
3,000. But when it's a tourist, then you can sell more, right?
Yeah, sure, that's true.
Yeah.
Maybe 5,000.
Oh, okay.
For
So
one
that's,
pieces.
so now the price is really down.
Yeah, sometimes 2,000 when a lot.
Oh, yeah. So as more others get, as less is the price because everybody has,
Yeah.
right?
When many, price is low. Different like tourists. When tourists more people, price more up.
Yeah.
When no people,
Okay.
low.
So how much you need to support your family?
For mackerel or for money you mean?
I mean money.
Money maybe per day, like we live with 6 people,
Yeah.
around 100 or 50 something.
100
Yeah,
or
be less
50 per day.
50
Okay.
is already enough for one
Okay.
food.
So what do you usually eat during?
100.
What I mean, what is your food? What you usually eat?
Oh, rice.
Rice
Yes,
and fish.
Fish.
Uh-huh.
Vegetable.
Uh-huh.
Something only like.
So if you get the mackerel, can you exchange it to some vegetables?
Yeah.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, we like maybe it's not over here,
Yeah.
so the people stay in the hill. They
Mhm.
come bring vegetable.
And they bring the
Yeah.
fish. Oh, that's good. Okay.
That's life in Amed.
Of success for you tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much
You go.
for talking
Yeah.
to me. See you.
See you.
Okay, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.